Here's a quick training video on how to run the public address and music system at Wartburg College's Hertel field. To turn the system on, flip that top button. Then you go down to your amplifiers and you turn them all the way up. That's your power. Now there's only 3 functions we're using right now on this mixer. This one is your public address microphone. This guy right here, it's a push to talk. The trim has been preset, no need to touch that button. Your volume control will come from right here, and there's the master volume. The master volume will control everything. This controls just your public address microphone. On your slot 2 is your wireless mic. In this bag, or it will be on a mic stand, is the Shure wireless microphone. Again, the trim has been preset, no need to touch that. You can adjust the volume levels right here on just the microphone. And again, over at the master volume, controls everything. The final one is your music. That is right here on an iPod dock charger. Now, if you don't have an iPod and you just want to use a laptop or an Android with a old school auxiliary speaker or headphone output, you just take out that right there and you can plug that into your headphone port in your laptop or any other device. Most people though will have an iPod or iPhone, just put it right there like this, and the music will automatically feed now into the system. Make sure your volume on your phone is all the way up. Sorry for the picture. Again, your music, the trim is preset. That is your treble, that is your bass, that is your balance down there, left side, right side. These two, just leave down, don't have to worry about it. Controlling the volume on just the music is right here on that slider, or again, on the master volume. That does everything. And that's basically it. To shut the system off, then, you always want to turn down your master volume all the way, and do the opposite with your amps. You want to turn those down all the way. After that, you just turn off the power. And that's it. That's how to run public address and music system here at Hertel Field. Thanks for watching.